I'm on my way to go borrow the big trailer to pick up the tractor. The tractor's all done. There's a local antique car show, coincidentally, at the farm where I'm headed right now to borrow the trailer from. So I'm going to go grab this trailer, check it over, and then I'm going to bring it home, and then I'll be loading up the Massey Ferguson onto it and running it back over here for the show that's going to happen tomorrow. So I'll bring you along with. Alright, we're hitched up. This is the trailer. It's about 18 feet long. I'm going to pull it out of here. I'm not sure when the last time it was used. So I'm going to run over to the shop with it and check the tires, make sure they have air in them. You know, before you borrow something, it's always good to do a once over and make sure you bring it back better than you borrowed it. So I'm going to hook the lights up. I'll check those also. I'm not going far, but I like to do a once over. Lights out. We've got a working light there. Okay, brake lights are working, turn signals are working. Oh, see, good thing we're checking. We have a flat tire here, so I got to air up this guy. That guy's working. Oh, not too bad. One bulb's out and a flat tire. So we'll get this fixed before we hit the road. Alright, all 4 tires are filled up. I ended up putting 70 psi. That seems to be, the max is 80, so 70 would be good. Tires on this side look new. The other ones are a little bit older, so I'll let them know that that back one was flat when I bring it back. Alright, hit the road. Okay, tractor is all set. I might do a little quick wash on it before I bring it over. I'm going to just do a walk around now. You can check out all the decals and everything. These are reproduction serial number plates. You can get them. I had to order this from the UK and have it shipped here, but then you stamp your serial number in. I got that in addition to this guy with the starting instructions there. It was well worth it. So we're gonna fire her up. I rarely tow any trailers this heavy. This trailer is rated for 12,000 pounds, and it's kind of heavy duty built. I would imagine it weighs somewhere around 4,000 pounds empty. And gotta say, driving with it empty, with nothing on the trailer, was a little bit brutal. It was bouncy. You know, this is an 03 F250 with the 5.4, so it was a little bit of a rough ride. Now that I got the tractor on there and I loaded down with some tongue weight, it's a little bit better, a little smoother ride. Let me know down in the comments if that's normal when you're towing a trailer this size with a truck of this year. So just 5 months ago, I picked this tractor up from almost this exact spot. I think it was where that white truck is. But here it is 5 months later, countless hours of work, lots of money, and looks brand new. So it's kind of cool to bring it back to where it all started just 5 months ago. There's an antique car show here tomorrow, so I'm gonna, I guess, drive it around for that. I'll bring you along. Okay, I have the Massey all hooked up. Safety chain, everything's hooked up. Got my wagon here. We're gonna put this old girl to work. Got some Hayrides coming up. It's also the antique car show here. So I think the people will get a kick out of the antique tractor pulling the hay wagons today. Looks really good out in the sun. Okay, that concluded a very good test of this tractor setup here with the wagon. At one point I had about 20 people on this wagon. You know, it was pulling a lot for this little tractor. The only thing I noticed so far is I'm getting a tiny seepage from the head gasket. I don't know if it just needs to be retorqued or if it, you know, needs to be changed. I'll probably end up just changing it, but I was getting a little bit of oil dripping from inside here, right where the head gasket is. So I'll keep my eye on that, but this was the first time I had a load on the tractor. So I'll wrap today up. I'm going to park her, and we'll catch you on the next video.